Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting a series on how to start a business. Although I have a lot of hobbies, it seems like a common theme between all of them has been how can I make money while doing it? Ever since I was trading Pokemon cards in the 3rd grade, flipping them for profit, doing that deal that I'm sure a lot of you guys also did, I've just dreamed about starting a business until I was a senior in high school, and then I decided, you know what, maybe it's time to stop dreaming and to start doing it. Now I'm going to go over 3 ways that you can get a business idea to help you start a small business. I apologize, I'm still using my notes, so if I'm kind of looking down at it here and there, I'm sorry. I'm hoping today our video quality will be a little bit better, but we'll see. So the first idea is you gotta find a niche, right? People need things, everybody needs things, and if you can just go through your day and kind of take notice on the things that you do, ask yourself the question, is there a product or a service that will make my day more enjoyable, easier, or more efficient? If you can fill that niche for anybody, all of a sudden you have grounds to start a business. Now, I can't just tell you what your idea is going to be, because the whole point of it is that it's your idea. If you want a business idea from me, I'm going to charge you for it, but that's just how entrepreneurs are. But I will give you some examples. So, for instance, the car industry. Somebody had to ask themselves a question. Alright, how do I get from point A to point B quicker, more efficiently, in a better fashion? So the car was created. There's no other reason for a car to be created. Another example of a company that would be started under this idea basis, I guess, is some sort of cleaning company. Say you own a boat, right? And you try to clean your boat, but it would be easier just to pay somebody else to come do it. Well, there you go. There's a business you could start. The second idea that could help you find a business idea is really, it could be just a given, but seizing opportunities. It seems like a lot of times we have opportunities and we either A, don't recognize the potential, or B, we just fail to pursue it. So why? Just take the opportunity. One example of a business that was started seizing opportunities, whether it be legal or not, was the cartel. They saw a market on one side of the border, they saw the ability to produce their product on the other side of the border, so they started a business bringing things across the border. Well, even though it's illegal, it works, it's a business plan, works for them, they make a lot of money doing it. Another good example of a business that was started off of seizing opportunities was the wood business that me and Cash started. So we had the land that we had to clear. That wasn't negotiable. But we decided, you know what, we have all this wood, let's take the opportunity to sell it. Let's monetize what we're doing. Now this idea, it goes off of something that one of my favorite money people said. Dave Ramsey says, take what you do and monetize it. And that's exactly what this idea is. Everybody has hobbies, skills, or stuff that they are destined or drive to be better at, right? So why don't you take what you do, make it available to other people, and sell it as a service or even form a product off of it. One example would be Rob Derrick. He was a professional skateboarder, moved to California to pursue his dreams, and then he found that, you know what, maybe what God set out for him to do was to start a business. And so he started a business selling skateboard parts. Well, it was easy for him to do because it was something he already had a passion for. Now he's making millions of dollars doing it. Another example would be the current business that me and Cash are already starting. I've kind of dabbled around with some online advertising before, and I've gotten pretty decent at it. So I was like, you know what, why don't I stop advertising for myself, start advertising for other people? I'll take what I do, make it available to other people, and charge them for it. And here we are, starting another company. I'm going to put another video out. It won't be the next part in this series, it'll probably just be a second part to this video. But I'm going to go over some ways that you can, manage these ideas, because even though it's, a good method for finding a business idea, there's ways that you can manage them to get optimal results out for them. I'm going to put together some ideas for that, and I'm going to make a video on it that hopefully will help people be more effective at trying to find an idea to start a business off of. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned, because as I said, we're having more videos come out, and hopefully the quality will end up being better and better and better. So, thanks for watching.